we went this high. All right, here's a model 22 or model, here's a breaker, high, low, higher, high, fair value gap here. We have a fair value gap here and potentially right here. It could just run without us, but I'm looking for it to come back in. This is the type of play I will take a risk on. Knowing that we just grabbed the swing highs, we went into the 1 minute or the 15 minute and the 5 minute. We went to the last fair value gap on the 1 minute as well. There's reason for me to be a little more aggressive, and we're coming up on the 11 o'clock. We're coming up on the 11 o'clock macro. Now I just don't want it to run. I would love for it to retrace here. I don't want it to hit this low. That's ideally, I don't want it to hit this low. Drawdown at 91 to 01. That's 10 handles. That's worth, let's see how aggressive this is here. It did not hit the level. It went up short. And this is leaving a fair value gap. There's a fair value gap right there. And then we have this fair value gap right here. This could go without us. Look what it did hit though. It hit this green candle, the low of this green candle. So that's not my model. I wait for the lowest down closed candle to get hit. So it'd be this one, or I target the low. So this is aggressive here. I want it to just, I'm gonna manually do this. I wanna see if it wants to push through. If it does, I'm gonna take it right there. All right, so I am in short right here. And I wanna see this. I would love to see this run real fast.
Order submitted.
I'm not liking how it's not moving. I don't like how it's sitting here. I just want to see it continue lower. Based on these two red candles here, how aggressive they were, I want it to move quickly. We have our first low here. I'm gonna target 20 handles. That's what I'm gonna target. So I'm gonna make this my target for 20 handles.
Order submitted.
That's what I want. With where price is right now, the last thing I want it to do is come back to break even. So I'm gonna run that. Hit that.
Order filled.
Doesn't that feel good?
Order canceled.
Boy, that feels good. If I had more contracts, I would have taken one off there and targeted this low. Boys and girls, I'm done. This is what the patience is all about. This is what patience is all about. Wait right there, my friends. It's just, yeah, look at this aggression. If I had multiple contracts, that's what I'd be hanging on to.